Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Cafe. Good morning. What would you like to order? I would like a cup of coffee, please. Certainly. Would you like a latte, cappuccino, or black coffee? I would like a cappuccino, please. What size would you like? A medium, please. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, I would like a chocolate muffin. Great choice. Thank you. Is that everything? Yes, that's all. Your total is 6.5 pounds. Here you are. Thank you. How long will it take? About 5 minutes. No problem. Here's your cappuccino and muffin. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. See you again.